Hi parents, just want to give you a quick tutorial on how to join your child's parent-teacher conference if the link is in the Google Classroom. So you'd go into your child's Google Classroom and you would see something like this. This is the post of a teacher for their parent-teacher conferences. You're going to click on this link here. It says video call link. I will click on it. This will open up the Google Meet application. At this point, you want to check that your mic is on, your camera's on, and you have this button over here that says Ask to Join. When I hit this, I'll be waiting until the teacher allows me in. So, Ask to Join. The teacher's getting a notification right now. There might be multiple parents ahead of you, so you might have to wait a bit. But at this point, I'll wait until the teacher lets me in. Now the teacher has let me into the Google Classroom, the Google Meet. I'm ready to go ahead and have my conference now. When I'm done with my conference with my teacher, all I need to do is hang up that phone.